In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can get your YouTube channel monetized. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Ken and I help businesses to grow using digital marketing and social media. And in my channel, I talk a lot about digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, do consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. And now before I show you how you can do it in my computer, obviously when you want to monetize your YouTube channel, there's a few criteria you need to meet. First of all, you need to have 1000 subscribers first, only 4000 watch hours. So for me, hitting 1000 subscribers, I hit it first before I reach the 4000 hours of video view, and then they will need to go through the verification process to see whether your content are some sort of original or not. Before they approve or advertiser friendly. That's a very important thing because Google advertise on your platform, you make money from it, but they have to make sure that your channel is able to monetize first. So before that, they will check, and then they will only get your channel to be approved to be monetized. And that is the pre-requirement you need to fill. Of course, I'll show it to you as well in the computer later. What's the requirement, right? Another thing is, I will show you step by step how to get it done. Because fortunately, luckily, thank you, I actually got my channel monetized, and what you see is actually step by step of me clicking and getting things done. And hopefully this is helpful for you, because I know a lot of videos on this show mostly on just how they do it, but I really show you how you can actually really click and just have a look. Another thing that you need is you need a Google AdSense account, which I do not have. That is why one reason why it's a bit delayed in terms of me getting monetized. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video so that you can have a look on how I turn on the monetization function for my YouTube channel. And now let's get into it. Hi, I finally reached the monetization threshold for my channel, and I'm going to show you how you can do it, right? So go to YouTube, click on your profile at the top right side, then go to YouTube Studio. And as you can see, 1000 subscribers, which is actually one of the minimum requirement. And now let's see whether I reach the 4000 watch hours. So you see at the left hand side, you can see that's the menu. Go down all the way, then go to monetization. Click on monetization. And so I've reached 1000 subscribers and I reached 4500 public watch hour. And yes, I'm eligible. Before you're eligible, you won't have this button. They will just say they will notify you. But now, since I'm eligible, I can click on this apply now button. Let's click apply now. So there's a few things I need to do. Let's go through them. Review partner term. I accept. We can read it again. Monetization revenue, accept terms, sign up for Google AdSense, start, click on it. There's an option, I don't know. Alright, so apparently you need an AdSense account, so I'm not sure that I have or not. Let's just continue and see. So they will help you to create an AdSense account. So I'm going to use one email that I've been using for my channel. Just use this one. So you choose the account, you click on the account, then you see there is, they call the thing. I don't have a URL for my website. Let's just select your country. So just apply one by one, follow accordingly. Right. Please review and accept terms and condition. Is in Malay. Okay. Yes, I read and accept agreement. Create account. Started. So all this information I think I'll have to fill up later. Right. So this is my business account. So you just fill all the information up, then go all the way down and click submit, where you can continue setup and you can start using AdSense. If you have AdSense account, it'll be easier, right? So for now, I have my created one, and let's just see how. So apparently it's in progress. Then after in progress, then I think once you get it, you're able to review. It usually within a month, but I heard that you can get it within 1-2 days. So I'll get back to y'all once I've got all this done, right? So now let's just wait. Alright, so now it has been 2 days. I'm not sure why I received the email a bit later, which is, I do it on Sunday and I receive it on Monday, so it's a day after only I received this email. I've done everything already, and I finally received the email where I get accepted into the program. So this is the email. So congratulations, your YouTube channel has been accepted in the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. So what we've done previously, we stopped at during the AdSense pending connection. So that time, I think during that time they approved my AdSense account, and then after that I managed to link to my YouTube account, and subsequently once your AdSense account is linked, automatically they'll proceed with the YouTube Partner Program verification, and now it is approved. And let me show you what happened, right? Now when you go to the channel dashboard, and when you go to monetization, so you can see it's already there. They've seen the monetization options. So there's more monetization options, but the options will only be available after you reach certain amount of okay, this you can go through, right? This is advertiser friendly content. So what kind of content that is good for advertiser? All right, I can put some of the links below, and then you can have a look. So here you can have a look as well, how to earn money on YouTube. So there's many methods. There's advertising, channel membership, merch, super chat, super sticker, YouTube premium revenue. But some of these have their own requirements. I'll put this in the link in the description box below as well. So currently I'm only eligible for the ad revenue, the channel membership. As you can see, you need 30,000 subscribers, merch you need 10,000 subscribers, etc, etc, right? But ad revenue is a good start. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Really appreciate it. And now what happens when you see this? So that means you are able to monetize. And now when you go to your channel content, you see that on top there's one bar here, right? Sorry, I opened all these tabs already just to make the video quicker. So you can see that congratulations, you have been accepted into YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your video and access support. So you can dismiss or monetize video. Of course, I want to monetize my video, so let's just click on it and have a look. And there, yeah, you can. Do you want to monetize existing video or monetize all videos now? I would like to monetize all my videos now. I mean, a little bit at least can help me fund this, because although I'm doing full time as a consultant in agents and also as an agency, I do a little bit of monetization here and there will give a bit of encouragement, right, for me to in this YouTube journey, right? So now there's these types of ads. There's overlay ads, sponsored cards, non-skippable video ads, skippable video ads. All these I just leave it default on. Let YouTube choose whichever that's best suit for my audience, etc. Right? So turn on ads during video. So this I'm not really sure what happened. I just leave it there, right, just to keep it as open as possible. So I'm gonna put monetize all video now. If you look into your video, your contents, you'll see that there's a monetization button here. You can turn on or turn off, right? That is how you do manually if you want to do it manually. If you want to do on automatic, just set here, right? Just apply preferences. Just click and they will update everything. It's safe to navigate away. Let's just wait a while. Alright, 200 of 200 videos successfully updated. I didn't know I have 200 videos. Well done. So yeah, it's all updated. Let's just refresh and you can see. There you can see the monetization is on. You can turn it off if you want to. So I can say now officially I'm a YouTuber. Yay! Thank you very much. And yeah, that's how you get your YouTube channel monetized. The thing that you need is, of course, other than the YouTube requirement, which is the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your content has to be advertiser friendly as well. Nothing too controversial, and your content. Try your best to be as original as possible, because sometimes they don't approve content of where you get content for other people and just re-upload. So sometimes YouTube don't approve this kind of channels. And yeah, my content I think is original. So yeah, I'm a YouTuber right now, officially, right? And yeah, that's how you turn on monetization. And other than that, you also need a Google AdSense account, which I didn't have at first. So I just created during the whole process you saw just now. So this is how you follow me step by step in getting my channel monetized. Thank you very much. Yeah, so that is how you can get your YouTube channel monetized, the step by steps, the things that you need, and how you can do it. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers and all the viewers that view all my videos, subscribe to this channel. Without you all, I wouldn't be able to have it monetized. So, I mean, I'm being a small channel. This is not, of course, I'm not doing this to fully cover my main income, which is in consultancy and also in agency. So, but this is a good encouragement. At least I know that people are watching, and I know that people are subscribing, so this is good. It's a little bit of validation, and it really propels me and give me more energy and keep me more motivated in moving forward in producing content like this. Because yeah, producing video, even though in this kind of settings, do take time as well, and I'm very appreciative for everyone that has been watching, right? And for those that are watching that have not subscribed to this channel, do consider subscribing to this channel. This channel talk about digital marketing and entrepreneurship. Sometimes I talk about YouTube, Instagram, because digital marketing is a big range, right? And a lot of my video is mostly on the problem that I face with my customers, and that's the reason why I think that it could be good to share with the public, and that's the reason why I record this. So this channel comes with good intentions, yeah. And if you like content like this, do consider subscribing, turn on notification bell. If you like this video, give me a like video. Feel free to comment in the comment section below. Hit me on all my social media platforms if you have anything to ask. And if you're looking for someone to help you grow your business using digital marketing and social media, just email me, right? And with that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making this channel to where it is. Hopefully, you will be going further in the future. And that, thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.